Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an active Steam account, and Cs2 installed with career stats enabled. Once done, make sure you play in competitive match-made modes because only those rounds award service medal progress. You should check that your rank and matchmaking preferences are set so you actually get ranked games. This avoids casual matches that won't count. Start your first few competitive matches, focusing on consistent play and match completions, since leaving or abandoning will block progress toward the medal. Once you're playing full competitive matches, focus on consistent performance to accelerate progress. Wins matter, but completing matches without penalties is essential. You should aim for regular contributions, MVP, high kill-to-death assists, because these increase your visible value and indirectly help maintain rank, which keeps you in qualifying playlists. Make sure to track your career profile after sessions to see accrued qualifying months. If you switch regions or game modes, verify those matches still count toward the 12-month service requirement. As you reach the required qualifying period, claim the medal from your profile rewards once the cycle completes. It's automatic, but sometimes needs a manual claim. If it doesn't appear, inspect your match history for abandons, grief reports, or overriding account changes that voided progress, because those are the usual reasons. If everything looks fine and you still lack the medal, contact support only after confirming no VAC bans or active penalties. This ensures a faster, focused resolution and avoids unnecessary delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.